Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys contact number unblock setting. How to unblock contact number one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, how to unblock contact number in Tecno mobile. So friends, we will on phone call setting first of all. After turn away phone call setting, how to unblock contact number. You want to add any contact number, so friends click here. You can add contact number also in your Tecno mobiles. So friends click here right side three dot and open call setting. After your phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile click here blocked number, and you can check block number in your Tecno mobile. Friends, you have block SMS, block call, so you can unblock from here. So friends, I don't have any block calls and block SMS in my Tecno mobile. Friends, I have block number in my Tecno mobile. So friends, you have block number, you want to unblock number, you can unblock contact number. After remove number from block list, you can receive call, you can receive text message from this number. Right click here friends, you can see now you can receive call and you can receive text message from this number. Remove option, click here. Number will unblock, again tap here. You want to receive call from this number, click here remove option, contact number unblock, again tap here friends, contact number will unblock. So like that friends, you can unblock contact number in your Tecno mobile, and now you can receive calls, you can receive text messages from this number. And friends, I have two number, so I will remove all contact number from block list. So friends, you can check I don't have any block list number. So like that friends, you can unblock contact number in your Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.